Deserts. Deserts are not just empty stretches of sand. They are dynamic landscapes shaped by wind, temperature extremes, and rare but powerful rainfall. A desert is defined by low precipitation, not by temperature, which means deserts can be hot or cold. What makes them unique is how erosion and deposition create distinct landforms over time. One of the most recognizable desert landforms is the sand dune. Dune forms when wind transports sand particles and deposits them in piles. Their shapes depend on wind direction and sand supply. Barken dunes are crescent shaped and form in areas with steady winds. Transverse dunes form in long ridges perpendicular to wind direction. Longitudinal dunes run parallel to prevailing winds. Dunes are constantly moving as wind shifts sand from one side to another. Another important feature is the mesa and butte. These flat topped, steep sided landforms form through differential erosion. Hard rock layers resist erosion, while soft layers wear away more quickly. Over time, large plateaus shrink into mesas, and mesas can erode further into smaller buttes. These features are common in regions like the American Southwest. Deserts also contain alluvial fans and wadis. Alluvial fans form when sudden rainfall causes flash floods that carry sediment down mountains. As water slows at the base, it deposits sediments in fan shaped pattern. Wadis are dry riverbeds that temporarily fill during heavy rains. Although rainfall is rare, when it does occur, it can reshape the land dramatically in a short time. Another striking feature is the playa or salt flat. Playas form in desert basins where water briefly collects and then evaporates, leaving behind minerals and salt deposits. Over time, thick crusts of salt can form across the surface. Wind erosion also creates unique rock formations. Deflation removes fine particles, leaving behind rocky surfaces called desert pavements. Abrasion, where sand carried by wind blasts rock surfaces, can sculpt rocks into unusual shapes known as ventifacts. Desert landforms demonstrate the power of erosion, weathering, and deposition under extreme conditions. Even though deserts appear lifeless and static, they are constantly changing. Their formations provide insight into climate patterns, geological history, and the forces that shape Earth's surface over time.